How to connect Instagram to Facebook business page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically actually connect your Instagram account to a Facebook business page, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to connect your Instagram to Facebook business page, go ahead and then open the Instagram application here, then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon, just make sure to tap on edit profile. Now for this you need to have a professional account, because if you're not inside a professional account you will not be able to connect to Facebook page. So tap on edit profile option here, and here under public business information you'll find an option that says page, connect or create. So when you tap on page, connect or create, tap on continue, and just make sure to log into your Facebook account, then select a page that you want to connect to this Instagram account, and then it will get successfully connected. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then connect your Facebook business page to Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.